Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we have
today we have the Sony Xperia 1VI. So this is the sixth generation.
I'm going to have a quick, simple unbox video.
And today I'm going to have a very quick,
flagship model,
very simple unboxing and test video about this new device from Sony. As we can see, and this time the smartphone box is a bit different compared to the most of the device. And it's a cover for the box, and we can find the specification about this device on the paper. Also, they put the SAI information on the smartphone cover. Yeah, so this is the white cover, and also when we take box from the cover, we find okay, I think it's very environment friendly box, and it's when I touch it, it's made, I think, by the very raw paper. It's not a bit more complicated than the most of the flagship models in the market. It's very simple and also it's decorate. I think this is a Sony. They put a lot of effort on the environment protection. So after we open the box, the phone is just in front of us, and under the phone we find the Sony user menu, quick guide, and also the basic instructions of this device, how to insert a SIM card, and also to put the QR code to teach you how to use it. And also this is a waterproof phone. So a bit surprised because this time we don't find the charger and also the cable inside the box. Just a very simple single phone inside the box. So also I think this is from get inspiration from Apple, because Apple also provide the charger, but Sony makes more forward. No cable, no charger. So okay. So today we have the red color. It's actually a special color, and I really like this color. It's very attractive and give me a lot of enthusiasm. Yeah. So let's peel it off, and yes. Whoa. The phone. It's like a mirror, the front screen and the back panel and even the frame are all red color. But yeah, we find a special button here, and the red button, black button, I think is power with fingerprint. And also the back panel is not glass, kind of special plastic, but not flat, not smooth. When I touch it, I can feel the power and the force of the friction is some distractors. And also the camera zoom is also red color, so it's very balanced design. Also to keep the 3.5 mm. This is very certain for the flagship model to keep the 3.5 mm, because you know for the smartphone the inside space is very cherished, very important, and less companies will keep the 3.5 mm. They've made it for other functions, but Sony, okay, they did it, so it's very nice. And also we don't choose the gesture control, it's just like the buttons control, and we can go to settings to check the basic information about this device. And as we can see, when we wake up screen, what surprised me, another thing is they don't keep the 21.9. It's a screen special, especially from Sony, but this time they don't use it. Before we call it hairtail screen, but this time they change it. It's not 21:9, but it's 19.5:9, and also for the display resolution, it's not 4K, and this time it's just 2340, 1080 display resolution. It's a 6.5-inch screen, and it supports 120 Hz TPO. And also about the processor, this time they use a Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor with And also this time they added the vapor trapper, so the cooling functions also improved a lot in this device. And also they used the 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt charging, not fast, okay. But also triple rear camera system, 48 megapixel main one, wide angle, and also the telephoto. So we can have a very simple camera test. It's a 12 wide angle and 12 megapixel telephoto, and also support OIS. As for the front camera, it's also 12 megapixel, and for the main one, 24 mm, and for the wide angle is 16 mm. Also, it supports the very popular macro lens. So now it's the zoom performance test. I will put some pictures at the end of the video, and also I've tried the video slow motions, and I will also put it at the end of the videos. Yeah, for the Sony, I think not so extreme like the Vivo X100 for the zoom, not the 100 times. Yeah, so this is the front camera, 12 megapixel. And for the 84 megapixel one is a periscope camera, so it's also very nice. So this is a video. Yeah, we can try to test. Okay, also support zoom performance for the video as well. We can try to switch from different times zoom. Yeah. Okay, we can also check other slow motion. Yeah, so this is slow motion. And although for the screen, it's Full HD plus screen. Support 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate adjustable. And also the Xperia screen is the sunlight vision screen. Also very nice. 84 megapixel is a 1.35 inch sensor on the wide angle is support, as I mentioned. 3.5 to 7.1 optical zoom. And also compared to last generation, they add the macro lens. Yes, improved a lot compared to the last generation, I will say. I tried to test the macro, but yeah, I will have some pictures for you so you can check it later. And this time, for the normal, they have 3 colors: the black and white and the dark green. But this time we have a very special red color. So this is very, very real color. Yes, we also want to try to test the sound quality. Keep the 3.5 mm home jacket, and also it passes the high-res audio, wireless, and LD AC, and Snapdragon Listen LE audio. So we can try to test very nice stereo speakers on the device. Also, for the 3.5 mm home jacket, use the premium audio circuit. Next, okay, we can try to enjoy it. And also, this is the shortcut key. We can try to set it. Okay, let's go through the settings, operation and view, security, and also I think I told you this time is have the 2-in-1 button, the power button, the screen button together, the left button. Yeah, so this is also a very popular design in the market. Next is the device. We use this, but in China, I think only the middle range or the low end will use this function. Most of them use the ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint. So no design like this, or the flagship model. Yeah, we can try to test the fingerprint speed of this device, the Sony. Yeah, we will record my fingerprint and then I will show you the performance, the speed of the fingerprint unlock. Okay, when trying to record that my fingerprint is okay, it's very easy. And finally, okay, success record. And now, yes, we try it. Let's try it. Whoa, very fast. So okay, works perfect. Yes, for this device, the fingerprint. Okay, so again, to try to do the fingerprint unlock, and next, the shortcut. So we can set long press or double press to wake up the shortcut keys. So this is also very useful, convenient, useful functions on this device. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Let's enjoy the sample pictures and sample videos about this device from Sony Xperia 1VI. Let's enjoy it. Bye bye.